Finger head.
Play and learn. What's learn? Learn. 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 Okay, come back. Learn. Play and learn. Up. Up. And push your hair. Fix your hair. Brush your hair. Brush.
Siguro, dito. Nga, yan lang mali. Ano sa hair mo?
Brush your hair. Brush your hair. Tapos mo sa'yo. Brush. Brush. Brush.
Dito natin.
Brush your hair. Brush your hair. Hey, brush your hair.
Sabi sa akin, mag-brush hair thing na.
Brush your hair and think.
Ang ganda din mag-brush hair.
No, 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 push no, 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 no.
Ah, ears. Brush your ears.
Ears, ears.
Ears.
How about your eyes?
Ears.
The eyes. Eyes.
Pretty pa. Early ka talaga makeup. Wala ka school. Early ka makeup. Boss pa yung school yan. Ano naman yung makilay? Hindi ko panas ha? What are you doing with your kilay? Makilay. Ay, po ka. Makilay. Hey. Makilay. Ano?